This is my presentation for Module 4. I did my chemical as hydrogen sulfide, otherwise known as H2S. My name is Benson Landry. The outline of the PowerPoint we're about to review is where is hydrogen sulfide found, chemical characteristics of hydrogen sulfide, threshold limit values, permissible exposure limit, and recommended exposure level, protection from hydrogen sulfide, exposure, and conclusions. Hydrogen sulfide location. It is produced naturally from the decomposition of organic matter. Oftentimes it becomes a problem while drilling a natural gas well. Also can be found in sewage sludge, liquid manure, and sulfur hot springs. It is also a byproduct for many industrial processes like mining, wood pulp processing, and rayon manufacturing, just to name a few. Chemical characteristics of hydrogen sulfide. It is in the chemical asphyxiants category. It is a colorless gas that is extremely flammable, has a strong rotten egg odor, also listed in the toxic gases and vapors category. The chemical formula for hydrogen sulfide is H2S. It can be shipped as a liquefied compressed gas. Molecular mass is 34.1. The TLV, OEL, and PEL of hydrogen sulfide. TLV stands for threshold limit values, which equals 1 parts per million. Recommended exposure level, OEL, equals 20 parts per million or less in an 8-hour shift. Permissible exposure limit, which is PEL, equals 3 milligrams per meters cubed. Protection. Obviously, avoiding it if possible would be the ultimate protection, but if you have to deal with hydrogen sulfide, wear an approved gas mask, wear approved cold insulated gloves, and safety glasses. Do not eat, drink, or smoke around it due to the risk of ingestion. Stay in a well-ventilated area and avoid open flame. Exposure. If you are exposed to H2S in the eye, remove contact if possible and see a doctor as soon as possible. If H2S makes contact with your skin and starts to irritate, rinse with water, seek medical attention. If inhaled, place victim in semi-upright position in fresh air, then go for medical attention. All exposure incidents should ultimately be reported to the HSE department as soon as possible. In conclusion, hydrogen sulfide is often faced in the oil field, but if it is possible, avoid it. But when you have to deal with it, wear the proper protection. You should be safe. Hydrogen sulfide is an extremely dangerous chemical and should be treated as so in any situation.